So we just arrived at our DVC villa at Saratoga Springs. So this is the entryway. Very nice. This is a one-bedroom preferred unit. There's Mommy.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome home.
This is the living room, family room. There's the beautiful girls.
Woo.
We're here for the Halloween party. And the Wine and Dine Half Marathon.
Yay.
Yay. So we have a full kitchen with the refrigerator and range and microwave and everything. And
Oh my gosh, they did hidden Mickey ears with the little coasters. That's cute. That's
yeah.
cute.
And an entertainment center, a nice balcony with a view of the pool and Disney Springs across the river.
Hey, you can see the balloon.
Yeah, what's that called? The aerophile or whatever,
I think so.
the big balloon thing over there. And pull out, I think, queen bed or double bed anyway. And
Everything is so cute.
have washer dryer in the unit right here. Washer dryer, very cool. And two full bathrooms. So toilet, sink, shower, and a connecting door to the other bathroom, which is the master bathroom. With a nice big tub, and bathroom, and little walk-in closet. And this is the master bedroom with a nice king-size bed and ceiling fans and nice view of the pool and entertainment center and everything. So another beautiful DVC property. Yay!